Hi, my name is Shannon Brooks, and I'm coming to you from the campus of Monticello College in southeastern Utah. We're going to be in your area on February 18th in Rexburg at the Paramount Theater, 7 p.m., to share with you a new lecture we have called American, the Five Lost American Ideals. I'm going to be sharing my new book, American, with you, but we're going to be talking about the five lost American ideals and what does it take to be an American, how we're building new American founders on our campus. We're going to be talking about things like LIBOR and Georgics, Providence, public virtue, and liberty. When I say LIBOR, I mean the education system the founders gave us. Georgics is the lost economic culture of the founding era. We're going to do a special emphasis on that. Providence, the origin of man, our dependence on deity. Public virtue, how to have the strength and fortitude to do the right thing even when it hurts. And liberty, the freedom of all men and women to live good, service-oriented lives without or free of government overreach. Now is the time for hands-on solutions similar to the solutions the founders were searching for. If you go back in American history to the American Revolution, 8 years of bloodshed. And then a few years leading up to the convention, they had the convention, and now we're at the point in 1787, October 1787 in New York, where several of the founders have gotten together to write what came to be known as the Federalist Papers. In Federalist number 1, Hamilton makes this poignant point of how important what we're doing is, this great American experiment. He says, "It has been frequently remarked that it seems to have been reserved to the people of this country, by their conduct and example, to decide the important question, whether societies of men are really capable or not of establishing good government from reflection and choice, or whether they are forever destined to depend for their political constitutions on accident and force." Reflection and choice, accident and force. For the vast majority of human history, mankind has found itself over and over and over again in the scenario of accident and force. And the founders are here now gathered together, written a constitution, trying to get it ratified, that it's based on the idea of reflection, cogitation, deep consideration, long discussions, and then choosing the right choice to bring liberty and promote the American ideals through this form of government. We can't possibly be successful in the present if we haven't properly planned the future based on what we learned from the past. We're at a place right now that 10 years ago none of us would have imagined. If we desire to perpetuate liberty for our children and grandchildren into the future, we're going to have to focus on reflection and choice over accident and force. The time for sitting on the sidelines is over. So come join us. Join us on February 18th in Rexburg, Idaho at the Paramount Theater, 7 p.m. For a deep discussion of this. I promise you it's a lecture you won't forget. We've got lots of great information. I'll stay and answer any questions as long as you'll stay. And there's limited seating. So if you need to get more information, contact Sonia Bragg at 208-313-5360. I'll see you in Rexburg, February 18th.